this is 8 years.
So basically, you just put in
Already done it. Substitute the variable.
that's a lot.
Hello, welcome to CPM Math at Poetry Community Christian School. We are super excited about our new curriculum that utilizes cooperative teams and the resources that they have in order to be algebra thinkers. It is so wonderful to see them collaborate in teams. They each have responsibilities in their team, and they have to learn these roles. Those roles get changed up so that they can learn each of the roles. What I love about the cooperative learning is giving the opportunity of students who normally might have sat back and let others do the thinking, that they are pulled in and have to do the thinking along with their teammates. They're not allowed to ask for help until they've checked with their teammates and working in a collaborative way. This also builds self-efficacy for the mathematics for those students who possibly think differently than the one who always answered the questions in the classroom, because it's giving them an opportunity to use the way that they think to impact their students, the rest of the students in their teams. So they get that opportunity to show what they know that maybe not be the normal way of thinking. The curriculum really stresses opportunities to find other ways to find the solution. So they are constantly asking, is there another way that you can expand your understanding or solve that problem? It also is constantly looking for taking information that they're learning and not just algorithms on how to solve or processes how to solve algebra and geometry, but what is the full understanding of those concepts and then applying those to other ways to do the problems.
So previously we used another strong curriculum. Why is it that we changed?
Well, we came together as a committee, just looking to see if there have been improvements in math curriculum, maybe some changes to some more best practices in the math curriculum today, and that's how we stumbled on this curriculum. It does follow all the best practices in math curriculum. It is research-based. It's been proven effective in developing algebra thinkers and problem solvers. What I've been excited also is how once they understand, they are personally grasping the thinking skills that are necessary to move them to the next place in their mathematics.
We need to come together for just 1 second. Everybody look up here, because this problem has been the best problem of the day. And watching you all has been pretty amazing. Yeah, I know. Did I draw it according to, I'm doing C. Okay, the things I heard that were great was everybody from that previous problem actually was really getting this piece right here. What does the length from here to here become? JJ?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. I didn't see any group, please stop me if I heard wrong. I didn't see any group who didn't see that. Did everybody get that that's X minus 1? Mm-hmm. Okay, but the fun part was watching you right here. I need to know this length. And I can apply the same principle. You knew what this was. Maybe you don't know what it is in number form, but you know what that is. And you knew what that was. So, from here to here is Y, and from here to here is
X.
So why can't I do the same thing here, here, that I did right here, and this length becomes Y minus X. So then I now know the length of every side. I'm going to put my little one in there, it's getting messy. I combine all those. Some of you are going to that next problem and just putting numbers around the sides. In reality, we want to come up with what this is first, and then insert X is going to be equal to what? 3, and Y is going to be equal to 8. But I don't want you going and doing this. I really don't. I want you to go and, say, how many X's did I have around here? I wouldn't do these yet. I don't put these in. How many X's do I have? I see that one and I see that one. I'm not gonna do these two. So I have 2 X's. How many Y's do I have? 3 Y's. How many 1's do I have? 3. That was cute. 1, 2, 3. 3. I have 3. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take care of these new things that kind of confused me, but I still just write them like this. I still just put exactly what I see. The last step is to combine things, like terms, with their signs. Don't leave anybody's sign behind. Next, I combine the other things that are alike. So if you did not get this on this problem, it's likely you may need to go back and see that you understand what's going on, because your final was what? Should be what? I see a 4Y plus 3.
So I understand that this curriculum requires some training.
Yes. So the training is pretty extensive and can really help the instructors learn a new way for the cooperative learning. Once you get a hold of the vision of it and the philosophy behind it, and then understanding that it is the absolute best way to teach our students, it's phenomenal.
So you mentioned research base. That means it's not just Mrs. Nelson liking the curriculum.
No, absolutely not. They've been around for 20 years, and so they have all the research to back up all the philosophies and the practices that they have. You can find those online at cpm.org, and they have parent helps, homework helps. The online portion of the curriculum is top-notch. It offers a lot of help for the students, problem by problem hints, and it has a parent guide where you can assist your kids at home whenever necessary.
Wonderful. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.